on St. Helens?
I changed the flight plan. Get us home sooner.
Great. You realize that's a volcano, right?
Relax, Ross. If it goes up, you'll have a ringside seat.
Lucky me. Christian, what is that?
Don't worry.
Oh my God! Christian! Shit! Christian, what is going on?
Mayday! Mayday! Mayday!
What's happening?
Damn it.
Oh my God! Oh my God, Christian!
Oh, you remember this guy?
Hey, Hi. Oh my God, you're so tan and glowy.
You want a beer, Anna?
Yes, please, please. Hi, Jose.
Hey.
Hi. How's it going?
So, congratulations, fiction editor.
Hey, she's a big deal now.
And how's your hottie?
Christian is good. He asked me to move in with him.
What?
Anna's moving in with Christian.
Oh, that's great. You know, we could use the privacy.
He's so subtle, it kills me. Stop. So you're serious, but are you happy? Because that's all I care about.
I mean, it's complicated, but I've never been happier.
Hey, Mia, what's up?
Did you hear about Jose's show? It was incredible. Really, he was amazing. He got rave reviews.
I gotta check it out.
Wait, Mia, slow down. Shit, okay, yeah, we're on our way. Kristen's chopper went missing on the way back from Portland. They're sending out search parties right now. Come on, boo, let's go.
For more on this breaking story, let's go out to the field and our reporter, Rachel Taylor. Rachel?
Thank you, John. I'm speaking to you live from the private helicopter terminal at Seattle.
They'll find him. He'll be okay.
Helicopter was
It's
expected
Christian.
to arrive late this afternoon. The helicopter was an Airbus Helicopters H-130.
Is there anything we can do?
In its class. And Christian Grey, although only 27 years old, had extensive flying experience.
All right, bye.
One of Seattle's youngest billionaires, Grey is the charismatic head of Grey Enterprises Holdings, a multinational conglomerate and nearly
Jesus, will someone shut them up?
employees.
No, please.
And the future of the company
Leave it
and
on.
those employees would now
Just
seem
turn
to
it
be
down, please,
hanging
Jose.
in the balance.
Thank you.
Earlier this evening, Seattle-
You're shivering. I'll get you a sweater. Okay. Empty. He's gonna be fine. He has to be okay. We haven't had any time. We need to have more time.
You're going to have plenty of time. We are so glad that you're here with us and in Christian's life. You've made such a difference to him. He never let anyone get close until you came along.
Gracie adores you.
I know, but children grow apart from their parents, and that's fine, as long as they're happy. And he is happy with you. And that's all I ever wanted.
Turn it up.